Hi everyone, in this video we are going to make a software which is going to tweet for us. So type in pip install Twitter and hit enter. And as you can see, it's saying requirement already satisfied. And the second thing you need to do is go to apps.twitter.com and create a new app. So for name I am going to say test API 2018. For description I am going to say for YouTube video, and for website I am going to paste my YouTube channel. Yes, and then create your Twitter application. After you have created, go to keys and tokens and create a token. Make sure that this is for read and write. And now we are going to get to the main code. So I'm going to say import Twitter, and then I'm going to say customer key equals to your key, customer secret to whatever your customer secret is, access token to whatever your access token is, access token secret to whatever your access token secret is. Then I'm going to say connect equals to twitter.twitter, and then I'm going to say auth equals to twitter.auth, and here we are going to pass access token security, customer key, and customer security. And now I'm going to say connect.statuses.update, and I'm going to say status equals to this is Python, hashtag Python, and I'm going to save it. And I'm going to run another one which has all these for my account. I'm going to say Python tweet.py and hit enter, and we'll go to my Twitter account, and as you can see, this is Python, hashtag Python. So that's it for this video. If this video helps, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, share this video, and I'll see you in the next one.